Good morning, family. So this video is to help any and everybody assign iReady lessons to their class. So once you log into iReady, you pretty much enter in on this page right here. And in this page right here is your central area. So where you're going to go to Assess and Teach. And then you're going to click on this Instruction tab. And then you pick your lessons. Either we're doing reading or writing. So in this case, we're going to go to reading. Now, so if you scroll down here, you have a whole bunch of lessons that you can do. So depending on the grade level you teach, you may want to look into grade level. So in this box over here, you could search for grade level work. So in this case, I picked grade level 6. And I'm looking for any type of lesson to help supplement what I'm doing in class. So in this case, I want to teach identifying central idea, right? I'm going to work on central idea in class. So I want the kids to get a quick little intro on identifying the central idea, 6th grade standard. So I'm going to click on that lesson. I'm going to scroll all the way down. Oh, I'm going to scroll all the way up. And I'm going to assign lesson. Now, in this assign, if you're doing small group and you want specific kids to work on something, you could assign it to particular students. But in this case, I want to assign it to an entire class group. So I'm going to click class. And now I have all the classes here that I have English assignments to. So in this case, I only have my advisory that I could assign my English lesson to, but most of your classes should be here. If you're an English teacher, you should have all your English classes. If you have your math, you should have all your math classes here, and you simply assign it, click that, and then you could put it for a certain amount of days. And then I want to assign it and I'll give them 3 days to work on it. See, the average time for this lesson is 25 minutes, and I'm going to assign a lesson. And I click here and assign, and now all my students have access to it. Now, if I want to manage the schedule, I can go on here, click on the manage, and now I notice that identifying the central idea is in progress. It's going to start on Monday the 14th. Their due date is the 16th, and this is the domain and grade level standard. Now, if you want to look over and see what your children are doing, you could click this iReady tab. It brings you to the home page, and then you can monitor the personalized instruction that you give. So in this case, we are going to look at the current week. And then I'm going to scroll down to math, and then I see that these are the breakdowns in time, and I can look at how much work has been done by our students, how many completed tasks for the week, and that's how I assign lessons.